So I must say, with exercise, right food. Like you need a gym coach trainer, we need a right fit food trainer.
Yes, yes.
So I think you are doing great. I mean, training the people for the right food, which is much needed. I think you should go far and go pan India also, because this is a need. You're just in Hyderabad.
Yes,
I
yes.
think other cities, other districts, they are also very
Yes,
conscious.
yes.
And they wanted to have that food. So it's online only, like they can come or pick, or like they can call you and then
No,
you can
we
deliver,
are on
right?
online and in
It's just Hyderabad you are doing it right now?
right now we're in Hyderabad, and
Okay.
people are asking from Vizag and
Yes,
Guntur.
yes,
Like
yes.
I can see, whenever I post some dishes,
Yeah.
in the comment they'll see available in Guntur or
Yeah,
Vijayawada. Is it
then it's
available?
fine difficult, right?
I'm just still thinking. Let me establish 2-3 kitchen here and then moving to districts. I mean,
Yeah.
other districts are also health conscious. People
Yes,
are health conscious
everywhere
now.
they
Yeah.
are.
So it is like that.
So I think it's been a great journey talking to you. So what life thing you can do it for us, like quick something you would like to cook or what?
I can make some good soups and salads.
Uh,
Maybe some, anything on like quinoa or red rice, brown rice, some good carbs.
How much time you take for cook? Like
Like 10 minutes.
okay, in 10 minutes your fit food is ready.
Yeah, everything will be ready.
Okay.
Cutting and just making it immediately. It will be done in like 10 minutes.
Okay, so something if you can show it, we can do a small demo of it.
Yes, definitely.
How you cook the food. So one dish, let's see how the cook, how the chef is going to make. So I don't know what he's going to make. On live kitchen, we will go and just see how he's going to make the things. So let's come. In daily basis, rice and pulao was, always a temptation, whether it's kids for all kind of people. So I just wanted to know if you can just give a information, like how you have divided that everything is to be on plate with all proteins and carbohydrates, what kind of portion, if you can just explain. And I think what are you going to make for us, like?
So we're making a tarkari pulao.
Okay, tarkari pulao. You don't need to go for any diet plan actually. Really, you made that. When the diet comes, we think, we have to go for it. We go for a depression also, right? So I think that's really needed of the hour. You can actually have your food without going in a diet. So let's see how he is doing that. So yeah, please tell me.
So here we have a red and brown combination rice.
Okay.
And some good fiber, all mixed vegetables.
That we always,
You can see green peas and broccoli and other stuff. And also have a good fresh paneer. And some freshly
Leaves.
coriander and mint leaf and some good fiber of palak. I mean, this thing.
That
Tomato,
always the common thing, yeah.
The basic one.
Basic one.
And some ghee and some curd.
Okay.
So first I'm adding some olive oil. Preheat the pan. Then add some Indian spices, mix of all cloves, cinnamon, star anise, and other stuff. Then add some
Onion.
chopped
as it
onion.
is. Why so little onion? The
It depends
portion.
on the portion what you
Portion.
Yeah. If you're making a regular standard portion, this much onion is good enough. You need to fry the onion until it gets the brown in color. So then only you will get a good taste. And always have a control on the temperature, the flame, to make sure it's not like overcooked or burnt.
Overcooking is also not good.
Yeah, not good. Yeah. Then add some chopped tomatoes. once tomato and onion it's half cooked, you can then you can
Put
add
the
some Indian
masala.
spices. You'll add some
Regular one, healthy. Yeah.
turmeric powder and coriander seeds powder, cumin powder. Then you can add a chili powder based on your spice
Spice.
level. If you want to have more spicy, you can add more and
No,
less.
little bit. So this is what rice? Red
This
rice.
is a red and brown combination.
Combination.
Yeah. And it is cooked
This is the
separately.
main.
Yeah. The rice are cooked separately, but it is mixed.
Tadka, yeah.
Next, you can add some curd.
That will give a taste or what like?
Yeah, it will give a taste and it will make sure that all the masala and
Okay.
it will stay in like in a good position. So
It looks so tempting. Curd. I think eating the right portion is also very important, right? That's why we called overeating. क्या हुआ? थोड़ा spicy feeling आ रहा है. So it will absorb it, all the masalas.
So we'll add curd because curd makes make sure all the masala gets into a consistent taste. So
Okay.
curd is a major part. So you can add some based on your requirement of amount of curd. You can add some
Paneer,
fresh paneer, yeah.
protein,
Then
your vegetables.
vegetables. And if you're making in a healthier way, you can add freshly chopped
कुछ भी anything
Palak.
Palak.
this has a rich fiber, so you can make it in a healthier way. You can add your salt. So let it cook for 2 minutes so that all the masala will mix into the vegetables.
We always have myths, that when you go for a diet, you can't have your meal, yummy meal. So you don't need to miss now. So there is it is, how you can have your regular meal with full of taste, right? No cravings. I must say, the great initiative. You have actually helped people, to get on the right shape without craving.
Craving, yes.
See, everything has to be put on time.
And,
Even the food don't compromise, right?
Yeah, lime rice.
So how
Still
the
it'll be
body, we can expect that It should respond without you are not giving the proper time and proper food. Even though you put the wrong masala, they give the bad reactions, right?
No, the taste will be good.
But what we want, we will not get it.
Yeah. And add some fresh mint leaves and then some coriander leaves.
Now the turn came
Then you can
for
add
rice.
some brown rice. Now you will see equal amount of carbs, equal amount of fiber and protein. This meal has everything. You can see more of
A
veggies.
one meal
Yeah.
with healthy
Yeah.
everything.
You can see more of veggies
Huh.
and equal amount of veggies and rice here. So this is how
I think the
meal is
main
supposed
role
to-
is rice.
Yes.
The mix of red rice and brown rice.
Add some garam masala. Add some ghee. About 1 spoon is good. 1 teaspoon.
It's smelling nice.
And top of that, you can again add
Oh yeah,
freshly
leaves.
coriander.
Yeah,
Gives a good flavor and
yeah.
you really enjoy Kothimir flavor in all the dishes. I'm making you taste.
So I wanted a wing. First, let's
First
put
you
it.
taste anything, you let me know, salt or spice, whatever.
Okay, I'm having my lunch at right 1 o'clock. I think he's making me eat lunch on right time, 1 o'clock.
Yes.
Yummy. I don't miss. I'm not missing. Feel like we miss rice now. Yummy. Now I have to start doing this. You made my taste.
Okay.
Now the craving is to have this. So this was what? Palau?
Red and brown rice mixed tarkari pulao.
Tarkari pulao, healthy. I mean, you don't need to crave anything if you're going for a diet plan, you want to be fit. I think I also came to know so much about it, and I think I'm going to follow this. And this information really going to work. And thanks to you, it was a need of the hour because we always think it comes like a depression, you have to go for a diet. I mean, that myth is gone. We need that. It's really important to have a right person also to guide what to have, right food.
Yes,
So thank you so much. More success to you, and more food like should be served pan India, I must say,
Yeah.
because everybody needs a healthy food, right? So thank you so much for giving us information, the spread of message, and we're going to follow that.
Yeah.
I think you'll do more of the videos and more of the reach will be there,
Yeah,
so
we'll-
that
we'll
they
do.
can actually know we can have healthy. Really, we don't need to go for any diets, no depressions, nothing. So just enjoy a few food with full of energy. So thank you so much again, I must say. And for more updates, keep watching iDream. Till then, goodbye.